This is the NPET K11 gaming keyboard. This is a wired product. Super comfortable keys. It looks really nice. Look at how cool it looks, especially if you use it with a in a special mouse pad as well. If you don't want, you don't have to use the colors all the time. You can turn off the colors if you want. I personally don't play video games with my computer. I use it for work, and it's still, I think it looks really cool, and it's easy to see the keys, the keys and the kids. Easy to see the keys and what you're working on, so that makes it super cool as well. It also comes with this small little supports in the back so that you can keep it in a diagonal, which makes it ergonomic and more comfortable as well. This is an NPET K11 gaming keyboard.